Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to day 4 of Techmas. And in today's video, it's the 7th of December and Smash Brothers Ultimate was released. So, I'm gonna unbox this. My friend Mitch got this nice little package which comes with the controller and some nice stuff. So yeah, it's like this nice little design with the Nintendo logo and some stuff. And yes, yeah, I'm just gonna unbox this here pretty much. He said if I wreck the box, he's gonna kill me, so I won't. So in this box, we get this nice little tray, or this nice little metal case, which comes with the game, which is really nice, really sleek. It's obviously got the Smash logo on it, and it's just like a nice matte black. He says this is just the regular copy of the game that he wants to get because he really likes this cover, but he also likes this. So now he's gonna buy 2 copies of the game, which is a bit weird, but maybe he'll give me one. This is another friend, and we're all like geeking out over it because it just came out today pretty much. Also in the box, we get the custom Smash Bros controller, which the Pro controller, which if we get into, I reckon will look really nice as well. So yeah, just cable, and then the controller itself, which is, ooh, that's really nice. That's really nice. I don't know how much this package was. I think it was like 200 bucks, honestly. But that's actually really cool. I might think about getting that because that's really good. I don't use the Pro controller much. I prefer to just use Joy-Cons, but yeah, I might start using it. And that's all we got. So we got the Pro controller and the game itself. So this game's about 89 bucks, so almost 90 bucks by itself. And these are about 100 bucks by himself. Maybe more, 120. So 89, 120. Pretty good bargain for like this special edition case as well. So, you know, I would say this is pretty good. I've been playing Smash all morning with the boys, and I can say that it's really good. And this is again going to be another shorter kind of video just because I'm at their house at the moment, so I don't want to be too long. I don't know how to put this back in, but I'll get him to deal with it. But this right here, this box is just really nice, and the other day he got like this Super Mario Party bundle which comes with these 2 Joy-Cons, which is really nice. Like, that's really nice. Nintendo's bringing out some good collector's editions. These would look really good on my shelf, but this is 150 and this is 200. Hello. So that's 350 bucks right there that I don't have. Anyway, once again, today's Santa rating for this. The game's really good, so I'd give that a good score. And this bundle, Pro Controller and the game in a custom case, plus this box, is just so nice looking. I will give it a 9 out of 10 easy. 9.5 out of 10 Santa rating. Boom, I've said it, 9.5. I'm happy with it, I love it. I'm actually really enjoying the game. I might have to get it myself. I really want this bundle, but so much money, and like I said yesterday, or the day before, need to save for a car, and that's #1 priority because that bad boy. So I'm really happy with this. If it was my purchase, obviously I'd be happier, but obviously I would also be a lot poorer. So yeah, I'm happy that it's not my purchase, and I'm happy that he's happy with it. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and goodbye, have fun, and I'll see you all next time. See ya!